Hair is really long. And she's not even 2 as yet. What? Ah! You asked if I'm done yet? Soon. Alright guys. Baby asked me if I'm done yet, so I need to hurry up, alright? Isn't she lovely? So guys, I am gonna prepare my aloe vera plant. Grape. Carol, please go and sit down. Alright, Mama. Let me cut. You want? Mommy's gonna comb your hair, so I have to cut this, okay? Yes. Carol, go stand up. Mama soon come, alright? So guys, I have my aloe vera. I'm showing Carol. Please Carol. I'm not even sure. I think it's a bean plant. Yeah.
Mommy's growing.
It's growing. This is my grape, people. Here's my aloe vera. So I'm gonna sort this out for my baby girl. It's wash day today. Come Mariah, wash day. Yes. I'm preparing the aloe vera plant. I'm gonna blend it out this morning because I'm in good mood. So this is what I do for my baby. I try to wash her hair once a week, but me not lie, sometimes it go to a week and a half, 2 weeks. Yes, Carrie, it's growing nice. So to be honest guys, you can just peel it and rub it. Sometimes I do that and sometimes I blend it up. It depends on the day. This is what you want. You see this? Alright, so guys, I'm gonna come back to you shortly. I've been doing this since she's 10 months old. Sometimes I think her hair get used to it, but I used to like soak it, right? I don't think she needs more than 2 pieces to be honest. So I'm gonna put this up. You can get the child's hair saturated, but I do not because I don't have the aloe vera, people. But that should be the aim. I do her hair, let it be having the plant for about an hour. The most, I don't wrap it up, I don't do anything. I just rub it up and leave it alone. Guys, the extra step, them is not necessary, people. Take it from me, it's not necessary. It's not. We're gonna get, yes, for your birthday, alright?
Oh, it's
See, Araya, everybody just gets so big.
but it doesn't hurt, Mommy.
Alright, so guys, this is our hair just dry and stay. It's gonna be so moisturized when it wash. Coolant for 1 year old people. My baby hair is happening. So yes, I turn it off. We're going to the cleaner. Okay. I'm going to see carrot ours. So guys, at this point in time, I'm just trying to get my rice here saturated with water whilst giving myself and her entertained at the same time. So guys, I am using the Shea Moisture Kids Shampoo Mango and Carrot. Guys, I've been using this from I think Araya was 2 months old, and I can see that a little goes a long way because I had about 2 bottles from she was 2 months old, and another one of them is finished. Guys, I use them interchangeably. So yes guys. Wherever you may call me. Usually do wash it 2 times, people. The shampoo. So that's what I'm doing right now. Scrubbing my baby's skull while being gentle at the same time, girl. So I've been doing this since Araya. I don't recall. Probably develop a routine early on though. She's about 2 months. I haven't washed her hair more than once a week. It's not good to wash out the natural oils in your child's hair. But yes. Today she's been a really good girl. I use this guys because she doesn't want her face to be wet. So, and the noise of the shower can sometimes, cause her to be very upset. So I use this. You have to just know your baby, things that they like, and the things that they do not like. So guys, I think I showed you her routine twice when she was younger, but nothing from she had gotten bigger. I haven't changed anything much more than the aloe vera. It's hard to get hair care products than So rub the little. Do you like your lollipop, Mariah?
Yes.
Ooh, is it yummy?
Uh,
What color is your lolly?
green.
It's green.
Yes.
Do you like green lollies?
Green nice.
So yes guys, using the phone, I have to do what I have to do. Just detangling. As I said, unlike some people that do like to wet their hair when they're styling the baby hair, I don't do that, people. Me not in that jigaloo. I prefer to style dry hair.
Green.
Yes, it's green, but I just it is. But I just ensure the hair is detangled so it don't snap when I'm styling it, right?
Green lollipop.
Yes, it's green lollipop. But because of the young fam today, I'm gonna try and style a rice hair.
Lollipop.
Something easy, nothing to write home about, right?
Mommy, I was lollipop.
Yes, it is. So here you have it. Alright, hair is in 4 sections. Her hair is beautifully detangled. And I saw hairstyle, you know, on Instagram. See them partying at the middle. Yes. See them partying at the middle. I might not do it like how me see them do it. Because I always like to put my own twist on things, right? It's basically just the middle part right here. Don't quote me, guys. I'm not a hairdresser. To be honest, I just got to catch up our hair now, one, yeah. Guys, sometimes when I see the amount of hair my baby have, I get discouraged same time. I just change my mind with the hairstyle. I just get it up in a one. It's like a cute nonetheless. Just one normal ketchup, people. Gentle. Okay. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? She's only. How old are you, Araya? Your ear is nice and soft, guys. Don't just give it a bun. Nothing special, or just twist it up and put. Because really and truly, this is not a hairstyle. I'm just sketching it up because, yeah. But usually, guys, what I do, I'll just hello. Ooh, oh. Usually, guys, what I'll do is just plait our hair in 4. That's the best way to stretch our hair. And guys, as you can see, all I did was put some leave-in and stuff. I'm not gonna put no any gel in this part because I don't want your hair to get stiff. Alright. Can you shake? Shake your hair. Shake it. Ooh, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yes. Alright, so that's just some leave-in. It will dry out. Yes, but that's basically the hair care for my baby girl.
Mommy.
She is only 21, 22 months. But should I plait it up, to be honest? Because that's how I stretch her hair. This is not a hairstyle, guys. This is just me catching up her hair. So let's sing the song. Isn't she? Isn't she? Alright, can you say bye-bye?